Welcome to another ToolManageriQ tip video. Now when you import a tool like this end mill into ToolManageriQ, like I have done here, it'll take the tool number that's associated to it in GibbsCAM by default. Now if you try to send a tool from ToolManageriQ to GibbsCAM and there's already a tool in its spot, then it's going to see that conflict and it's going to bring up these options. And you can either replace the old tool with the new tool, you can insert the new tool in the first available spot, even if it's in between tools, and you can add the tool at the end of the list after the last tool. Now, those are good options, but they might not end up putting the tool exactly where you want it to go. Another way of doing it is to export the tool and then use the GibbsCAM function, the move to function here, to move that tool to the slot that you want it. You can also drag it manually, but if you want to keep that tool association, so especially in a situation where you have fixed tool positions and you want to change the position of a tool and always have that related in ToolManageriQ, then you're more likely going to do it on this side of things by double-clicking the tool row and changing this, which is your tool number. So if I put a 3 in there instead and I press OK, that's going to update that tool. It's tool 3 now, and anytime I export it, it's going to go into pocket 3 instead of pocket 1. And of course, if there was a tool in pocket 3, I'd still get a conflict and I'd get those options, but this lets you change the number to whatever you need it to be. Now, if you're using tool ID, this isn't as big of a deal because it can be in any pocket, so it just puts it in the first available pocket. But if you're not, then this is a great solution. Thanks for watching.